Today I got another pretty cool 3D printed thing to show you. This one is not a Mandalorian helmet, but is a fully 3D printed Destiny Ghost. Um, all of these little pieces here can actually come off the main body and are attached with magnets, which is pretty cool. And then the stand is also separate. Oh, well, now I just broke it. But um, this stand part here is separate. Um, so that's cool. Then if I put this back together here with one hand, I can show you that the blue piece on the front here, right here, this actually lights up if I can turn it on. Oh, there we go. So as you can see, it lights up, which looks pretty cool. Yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it. I painted it black and red, and then these little pieces here silver. This here I painted black and then kind of made it like a brushed silver. Um, yeah, I guess that's it. Remember to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.